If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. Today JASMY is trading at 3,100 and then again as before we're still looking to move to the downside. Now I'm actually interested to see what's going on in the monthly. I've never actually tried to check the 3 months time frame, and the 3 months also look pretty bad. Look at the 3 months candlestick patterns. We have continuations and continuations to the downside, even more and more. Let's look at the 6 months time frame, and we have this 6-month candle here that looks almost like a spinning top right there, and you've made these 2 red candles. We really need the next 6 months to make some sort of a doji right here. I would like to see on a 6-month candlestick we make some sort of a doji, make the doji and then fly to the upside, because dojis are reversal. It doesn't mean it's going to fly, of course. It means that decision is going to be there, but the likely scenario after all this bloodbath, the decision could be a pump. After that, it doesn't make sense to just continue all the way to the downside. It could be wrong, totally wrong, but expectation is that the decision goes to the upside as well. Now back into the daily time frame, we still are under the bear flag, and the bear flag again. The technical target is to 2,560. December is coming in the next 3 days, so during the holidays dumps can happen to the downside. You got to be careful during the holidays. I think holidays, they like to press the sell button most of the time, so that's something you gotta check out and keep an eye on. So yeah, we still have the technical target down here. We don't want to come above 3290. If we do come above 3290, then the next key level of resistance is going to be up here near 3636. Okay, so if you end up crossing 3290, you do have a little bit of an opportunity here to trade a 9-10% move only. But to me I don't like this kind of trade at all, because there are zone where we trade zone. Like for example, this for me is not a trading zone. This whole thing is not no trading zone for me, but this one small box can actually be a trading zone for me, where I can actually consider starting to buy again. Because why? You already have the whole blood to the downside. You already discounted. You get even way more discounts right over here, so the market can actually have chances to react to the upside other than here, because in here you have technical targets to the downside. So you're just gonna be clinging and crossing your fingers, hoping that, oh yeah, I just took the trade, I hope it actually goes up, right? Even though you can see that it's very clear it wants to move down, there are technical targets to the downside. Why take too much risk? Why don't you just wait for the thing to go down? And I think before I close the video, let me just leave you with this one. One of the biggest characteristics of a trader is someone who can be able, or the ability, to sit down and do nothing at all. That's also a part of a trader's life. Sometimes it's just you doing nothing. Sell the coin, don't do anything. Buy the coin, you also have to do nothing. It's not labor here, it's all about patience, and I think that makes it super easy, but it's super difficult. I mean, I don't know what's up with human nature. Tell people to go and work and do labor, they don't like that. If you tell people don't do anything at all and just sit down and wait, you also don't want to do that. I mean, are we not psychopath? Kind of. It's really funny. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.